Learn some basic sentences to communicate in order to help yourself while shopping. Everyone needs to go shopping, whether it is to purchase food, clothing, grocery items, household goods like furniture. In this video, you learn some phrases which will help you to find out what you want to buy and how much it costs. Let us get started. If you need help while you are shopping, this is a simple way to ask the storekeeper or the shopman. Can you help me? I cannot find what I want. Excuse me, can you help me? If you cannot find what you want in a store, you can ask a salesperson to help you find it. Just add the name of what you want to buy after the phrase, I am looking for. For example, excuse me, I am looking for an overcoat. I am looking for silver candlesticks. Can you help me? If you see something you like but you do not like the color, you can ask if you can get it in a different color. Do you have this in a different color? Another way to say this is, does this come in a different color? You can also add the name of the object after this. For example, I do not like this shade of blue. Do you have this in a different color? Does this stove come in a different color? This will not match my kitchen. If you cannot figure out your correct size, it is perfectly fine to ask for help from the sales staff. I do not know my size. Can you help me? I want to buy a shirt, but I do not know my size. If you already happen to know the right size, I need this in a size 12. Please, this is too large. I need this in a size 7. Can you help me? Since every supermarket is set up a little differently, we all can have difficulty finding certain items. You can ask someone at the store to help you find what you need with this simple phrase. Where can I find? Just add the name of what you want after find. For example, where can I find black olives? Where can I find a bag of almonds? If you are holding something you want to buy or it is right near you, you can say, how much does this cost, to find out the price. You can also put the name of the object you want to after this. I need to buy a toaster. How much does this cost? If you can see what you want to buy, but it is not right near you, you can point to it and say, how much does that cost? Or how much is that item cost? For example, how much is that lamp over there? You have bought something small. You can easily carry it. You might tell the sales clerk or cashier that you do not need a shopping bag. You might also say this if you have a shopping bag with you and do not need to get one from the store. No, thank you. I do not need a bag. I can just carry it. I do not need a bag. I bought my own with me. If you buy something really large and hard to carry like a table or a huge order of groceries, you are going to need help. Most stores that sell large and heavy items offer assistance, that is help, from a member or staff. The staff member can help you carry your purchase out of the store. They might even help you place it in your vehicle. Use this phrase to help you. This is too heavy for me. Can someone help me carry this out? Can someone help me carry this out? I have 18 bags of groceries here. Sometimes you need to buy something so large and so heavy that there is no way you could bring it home from the store yourself. That is when you will want to ask, "Can I have this delivered? This refrigerator is perfect. Can I have this delivered? Can I have this delivered next Wednesday?" I believe this video might help you to converse in English while you are on a shop. Get connected for more of this sort. Render your support by subscribing this channel. Thank you for watching.